6:04 p.m. on Thursday, May 2nd, 2019. I saw Dr. Wishingrad today, and we're talking about a very unique, special, and rare procedure that we have to find a doctor that actually knows how to do it. So I think it comes out of China or something. I haven't really studied up on it too much, but it would involve anesthesiologist and surgery of some sort, where I think they put you on a ventilator. Well, they stop your diaphragm from working, and then inject some type of muscle relaxer, and I think to try to reset the nerves, the vagus and phrenic nerves. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. They don't even know, but it's not a procedure they're like wanting to jump on. It comes with a lot of thought and care. So just don't have a lot of options and not a lot of knowledge on my condition out there. So we'll see.